Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you some Caribbean snacks that a lot of people enjoy. So let's get into the video. It's going to be mostly snacks. This one, the coconut water. It says they're 100% coconut water. Now this was packaged in it's from Grace Foods, but it's in Richmond Hill. Okay, in Richmond Hill that was package or package 4. This is another Grace product, and sometimes you see the Grace product and not necessarily that it's directly from Jamaica. Okay, and then this was also, let me see what it says. It says package for Grace Foods Canada, Richmond Hill. Yeah, that's what it says, packaged for Grace Foods Canada, Richmond Hill. And these are chips, and someday I'm gonna be making my homemade chips for you to see, guys. My plantain chips and also green banana chips. I'm gonna be doing that one day. This says package for Grace Kennedy, Ontario Inc., Richmond Hill. Okay, the jack mackerel in tomato sauce. I'm gonna be having this soon because I don't have these regular. And these three items of sugar. I love the cane sugar. This was what I used to bake the cake, and I just love this cane sugar. And then this one was packaged for BDC Imports, Toronto, Canada, Brooklyn, New York. Imported by BDC Imports, Toronto, Canada. So that's bdc.com. And the ox candy was also imported by BDC Imports, Toronto, Canada, Brooklyn, New York, USA. So the cane sugar, the ox, and ox is something we have, guys, in like we used to have in Jamaica, that when you have a sore throat or when you have a cold, the ox is good, it's strong. So this flavor is the original flavored candy, and this is, I'll try and taste it for you in a minute. And this is the ox honey lemon flavor. So I picked up each flavor, and these three products are yeah, as I said, imported by the BDC Imports, Toronto, Canada, Brooklyn, New York. These three, and those are the ones for Richmond Hill. And let me see this one here. Oh, this one didn't package for, yeah, Richmond Hill also. Oh, so this one goes with that one. And this is the sorrel drink. Later on, guys, in later video, I'll make you the sorrel drink for you to see. Sorrel is what we have around Christmas time. Some people have it there like all year round. You can have it anytime, but it's mostly Christmas time. The way you would bake Christmas cake, you'll have your sorrel. So I'll make that for you someday. And that's also from Richmond Hill. And this is the mango carrot. These are Grace products, and I think it's the same. Yeah, package for Grace Kennedy, Ontario Inc., Richmond Hill, Ontario. Okay, so that's the mango carrot. And the sorrel ginger. And these are gluten-free peanut brittle. And the ingredients: peanut, glucose. Yeah, these are peanut snacks. Okay, peanut brittles that I enjoy. These are from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Okay, guys, so I picked up 3 packs. And this I enjoy snack. It's coconut drops. The coconut drops. I'm not sure who makes it, guys. I like to buy things that has labels on them, but for some reason this doesn't have a label. But you know, it's made from coconut and sugar and ginger and maybe some other stuff. You know, it would be nice if they had put the ingredient on the packet, guys. And then this is ginger. This is Jamaican ginger. This is the Jamaican ginger. Okay. And this is Mr. Snack Hot and Spicy Tamarind Balls. Tamarind balls made from tamarind and sugar. You roll it up, the sugar with the tamarind, roll it up in a ball, and yeah, that kind of thing. And this was what? China Unlimited Snacks from Scarborough, Ontario. Okay, so this is the hot and spicy flavor. And this tamarind ball is the tangy taste. And it is from Scarborough too. And these are things that I enjoy, so I bought them. This snack is the roasted cashew. I showed you this before. And these are from Scarborough, Ontario. I like this one, the burnt one. I like it very much. And this is the raw peanut. These are packaged in Scarborough, Ontario. And this is also the raw peanut with the, you know, that, the, what do you call this? The film on it, that red film. This is what it looks like before you take, when you get this piece off, then this is what it turns out to be. It's just raw. So you can see a piece there on this package. Yeah. But they say that this, the red part that you shell off, guys, before you get to this red, it's good for you. It's healthy for you. That's what they say. And I have to go quickly through this, guys, if I'm going to do a test. This is, yeah, these products I'm showing you is from Kingston, Jamaica. This is from Spanish Town Road. Spanish Town Road is where my school was, St. Andrew Technical High School off Spanish Town Road. So this was manufactured by, you know, the Jamaica Biscuit Company Limited, 206 Spanish Town Road. And this one I buy, guys, because I've never had it before, the cinnamon flavor. The Water Cracker Excelsior, I've had it, but not the cinnamon flavor. This is the Chippies original chips. Okay, these are Jamaican products. This is from East Avenue, Kingston 5, Jamaica. And this I have been drinking, guys. It is so delicious. I haven't tried it for you to see, but I've been drinking it, and that pack is finished, almost finished. So, you know, I picked up another one. This is from Bell Road, Kingston 11, Jamaica. The instant coffee, the Blue Mountain Peak instant coffee. It's really good. I love it. I'm enjoying it. And this I may have shown you before, the Constant Spring Road. These are from Constant Spring Road. Spicy Hill Farm. This is the thyme leaves. I've never had the thyme leaves before, but I tried the Scotch bonnet. This is when your, you know, Scotch bonnet pepper goes bad and you have the powdery form that lasts longer. And this is the St. Mary's banana chips. St. Mary's banana chips, and this is from Retirement Road in Kingston, Jamaica. And this one I've never tried before, but because the coffee was good, this is also from Jamaica, directly from Jamaica, from Bell Road. And this is the with cane sugar, the ginger tea. I'm looking forward to trying it. And the clear mint here is from Trinidad and Tobago. Clear mint, minty candy. It's from Trinidad and Tobago, and this is a choco fill mint. I like the choco fill mint flavor. Also from Trinidad and Tobago. It says they're Southern Main Road in Trinidad and Tobago. This also is from Trinidad and Tobago. And this is the Pear Drax. I don't know if you guys have ever tried it before, but I like it. It's sparkling pear drink. It's really nice. You put it to cool. It's very good. I'm going through it quickly, guys, because I want to do the taste for you, okay? And this one, for some reason, I can't find where it's packaged from. As I said, you know, Nestle products or Grace products, not necessarily that it's directly packaged or imported, like, or made in Jamaica. But then, yeah, I would assume it's either Jamaica or Canada or maybe the USA. But the Milo drink I like the chocolate Milo drink, okay? And let me try and test some things for you before the 15 minutes is up. So guys, this is the coconut drops. It's sugar and coconut, right? They cut the coconut up. Instead of grating the coconut, you cut the coconut. Cut them up very fine, very small, and then, you know, with ginger and sugar. I've never made it before, but I enjoy these, but I don't have too much of it because it's sugar, guys. Like it is sugar, but it's good to have on occasions. And this is the ox flavored candy, the ox flavored candy. And this is the ox honey lemon flavor. It's kind of like Halls. There it is, guys. Honey lemon taste. It's okay. I thought it would be stronger, because when I had a whole ox way back then, it's like very strong, like cough syrup. This is the original. Maybe this one is stronger. This one is stronger. The original. The original is stronger. Not as strong as I thought. Not as strong. I thought it would be stronger. But yeah, it's strong enough. It's strong enough. If you have a cold or a cough, this is the honey lemon and this is the original Hawks. Hawks or hacks? Hacks, Hawks. I say ox. The way it's spelled, H-A-C-K-S. You may say Hawks, Hawks or ox. Let me try the chocolate filled mint. And it's mint. So it's white with chocolate on the inside. And I don't have to try this for you because this is mint. Like peppermint. Spearmint. You have fish like raw stuff. And freshen up your breath. This one. And also the one I'm eating too. The chocolate filled mint. You guys, you can hardly see, but there's like chocolate on the inside. That is this one, the chocolate filament. And this one is like just sweet. It's peanuts, right? Peanut sweet. This is tamarind balls, and this is the tangy taste. And this one is the hot and spicy. I don't think it's that hot and spicy, but I'll try it for you. I won't try the chips, but this is the one I had in Jamaica. The chippies. But I find the chippies to be a bit salty though. So guys, this is the hot and spicy tamarind. See the tamarind ball? It's in the form. It's a tamarind, and they rub it in sugar and form the tamarind in a ball. And they say this one is hot and spicy. I don't think it's that spicy. Because of the sugar. Because of the sugar, like, yeah, it's a little bit spicy. You taste the spiciness with sugar. But these, this thing is very sugary. So most of the time I don't have it. Once in a while I have the tamarind with along, and also this one, because this one is sugary. Very sugary. The we call it the drops. So guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up please, and feel free to comment in the comment section. And thanks to I noticed I have gained a few more subscribers, and I would just like to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and feel free to comment down below, and please make sure your bell is turned on so that when a video is being uploaded you will be notified. Okay, so guys, feel free to comment and go into the comment section and let me know what it is that you would like to see me make. I'm looking forward to trying this cinnamon water cracker because I've never tried it before. Give the video a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.